Alright, so right now we're taking off 4 bolts that are on top with the T30. We got 4. If you don't have any accessories on your hood, like we do here, it's just going to be the 4 bolts. Alright guys, so now that we took it off, we're going to go ahead and take off the bump stops and the windshield washer nozzles. To do that, you're actually going to need someone to help you carry it out. Then in the back, it's going to be simple clips that just pry off. So as you can see, there's a 2-inch gap between the middle panel and the bottom panel. You're going to go ahead and you can even use your bump stops here to do measuring, to hold it down in place. As for our next step, we actually laid out the hood vents onto the hood, and what we're doing is with the dry erase marker, we're doing some pre-markings on there. We're going to remove that, and then we're going to do our final outlining. Alright guys, so now what we did was we got a little bit of painter tape. We did some outlining on the bottom one. Now we also used a self-tapper to do some pre-tapping. We're going to go ahead and do some drilling. So it's going to be a 1/4 drill bit. We're just going to go right ahead. No going back now, guys. Now for the cutting process, we actually brought it over to our professional friends here at Brothers 4x4 in Montclair. They're going to go ahead and start doing the cutting. Alright guys, for this part, we're going to go ahead and place the rivets onto the screen mesh to hold onto the front panel. As you can see, we already did some here, but we're going to go ahead and do this other one.